Hey, hey, good morning. Today I'm gonna do what I can to get the outside of the front of my house looking a little better. See, there's spider eggs up there, dirt dauber nests, spider webs, cobwebs, whatever weird bug stuff all down the door. And look at all of that. It's just builds up. And so I'll grab the pressure washer and see what I can do to get this place looking a little better. And also, these are really faded. So I'm thinking maybe if I put something like Armor All on them, it might shine them up a bit. So after I get everything clean, I'm gonna try that and see how it works. And so let me go grab the pressure washer and get busy. It'd be a good idea to put a hat on to keep all this weird bug debris from falling on me. Well, a lot of spiders came down from the ceiling, but there's still a lot left to catch all the other little bugs. I see one right now hiding there, waiting for me to go in so we can build another nest. But it looks better. I'm gonna have to paint this house soon. I see a lot of places where where the paint has worn off over time, so probably in the next year, so we'll have to repaint this. And let me put some Armor All on these shutters, see if we can shine them up a little bit. Well, I found this stuff in the shed, Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine, extra shiny tire shine. It says with UV blockers, so we'll see how it works on these shutters. Yeah, I think that made it look good. I mean, it's not painted anew, but it gave it a good sheen to it, and it looks better. I could see the two here. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Let's see, so that's the old one. That's the one that hasn't been done. And that's the one that has been done. Yeah, I think it was a good idea. This stuff works pretty good for this. Bugs from building their nests in there too. Oh yeah, now that looks a lot better, so I'm happy with the results. That tire shine stuff worked. That tire shine stuff worked pretty good, and so did the pressure washer. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye. By the way, the birdies flew away. I didn't get to see them. It must have been early this morning. But it was neat watching them grow up.